Hey, it's Marty, and today we're going to talk about how to future-proof Epic integrations without rebuilding everything. Epic is the backbone of many healthcare organizations, but how can you ensure your Epic integrations remain scalable and compliant without rebuilding everything from scratch? In this video, we'll discuss how to future-proof Epic integrations, improve healthcare interoperability, and avoid unnecessary redevelopment while ensuring long-term success. My name is Marty, and at OSP, we specialize in developing Epic EHR integration strategies that help healthcare organizations build scalable Epic integration architectures to keep pace with technological advancements. Let's talk about what Epic integrations are and why they matter. Epic EHR integration allows Epic systems to communicate with third-party applications, including lab systems, billing platforms, and patient portals. These integrations streamline healthcare workflows and ensure seamless data exchange across platforms. As technology and regulations evolve, it's important to future-proof Epic integration solutions to avoid costly rebuilds. By focusing on scalable integration strategies, healthcare organizations can adapt to new technologies and ensure compliance without having to rebuild their entire system. Let's talk about some key challenges of rebuilding Epic integrations. Rebuilding Epic integration architectures can be expensive and disruptive. It often requires extensive development, training, and testing, all of which contribute to high costs. Additionally, a full rebuild introduces downtime risks, which can affect critical workflows like Epic RCM systems and Epic lab systems. Moreover, rebuilding can cause integration complexity where connecting Epic to other systems can break multiple integration points, leading to disruptions and additional work. So let's talk about future-proofing strategies. 1. Implement a FHIR-based architecture. FHIR, which stands for Fast Healthcare Interoperability Resources, is central to Epic FHIR integration and healthcare interoperability. By leveraging a FHIR-based integration, you can connect new systems without major overhauls. This allows you to build and develop future-proof Epic integrations without extensive redevelopment, using an API-first approach that simplifies future system additions. 2. Adopt microservices for modularity. Microservices architecture breaks down large applications into smaller, independent services. This modular approach makes it easier to update and scale your system without affecting the entire infrastructure. By using modular Epic integrations, organizations can implement updates without interrupting core workflows, ensuring scalable Epic integration solutions. 3. Leverage API-first integration strategies. Instead of rebuilding everything, focus on an API-first integration strategy where Epic systems communicate via FHIR or RESTful APIs. This approach enables you to update, add, or replace systems without overhauling the entire infrastructure, reducing the need for Epic integration optimization services. An Epic API integration provides flexibility for future growth, ensuring that you can continue to evolve your system while maintaining stability. 4. Use cloud-native solutions for scalability. Cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud offer elastic scalability for healthcare organizations. Cloud Epic integration services allow you to scale your system as needed without major changes to the underlying infrastructure. This ensures your Epic EHR integration can grow as demand increases without needing a rebuild. 5. Implement continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. With CI/CD for healthcare integration, updates to Epic integrations can be deployed automatically. This eliminates the need for full redevelopment and ensures continuous deployment for Epic with automated testing and seamless updates, keeping your systems up to date without causing disruptions. So here's an example of real-world future-proofing Epic integrations. Consider a major healthcare provider using Epic EHR and FHIR APIs to integrate with a patient portal and telemedicine platform. Instead of rebuilding their entire Epic system, they adopted microservices architecture and cloud-based healthcare solutions, allowing them to scale without affecting day-to-day operations. This approach provided flexibility and ensured that the system was adaptable for future growth. Now let's talk about some future trends in healthcare integration. The future of healthcare integration is driven by FHIR R4 and beyond, improving patient data exchange. AI-powered integration solutions and blockchain for secure data sharing will play a larger role. As telemedicine continues to grow, integration with telehealth platforms will become crucial for future-proofing your system. Why OSP? At OSP, we specialize in helping healthcare organizations optimize and future-proof Epic integrations. Whether it's Epic integration consulting for future-proofing, cloud Epic integration services, or Epic integration optimization services, we ensure your systems are scalable, secure, and ready for the future. Visit osplabs.com to schedule a consultation and learn about how we can help you build a future-proof Epic integration system. I'm Marty, and thank you.